Question is a bullet of mass 0.012 kg and horizontal speed 70 meter second strikes a block of wood of mass 0.4 kg and instantly comes to rest with respect to the block. The block is suspended from the ceiling by means of thin wires. Calculate the height to which the block rises. Also estimate the amount of heat produced in the block. So mass, first of all, bullet mass mb is equal to 0.12 kilogram, horizontal speed v is equal to 70 meter second inverse, strikes a block of wood, so that wood mass is 0.4 kilogram and instantly that will comes to rest. So v is equal to 0, that block, wooden block. The block is suspended from the ceiling by means of thin wires. Calculate the height to which the block rises, right? So first we need to find that rising of that block, right? So first of all we need to find the velocity of that block, right? Because when it instantly comes to rest with respect to block, so whole system will be moving. So we need to find the velocity of whole system, right? So initially mass of bullet into v, block are 0, and then after mass of bullet plus mass of block into whole system speed, right? So that is v dash. So mb is 0.012 into v is 70 is equal to mb, that is 0.012 plus 0.4, and v dash we can find, right? So v dash will be approximately, that will be, see, we will calculate this because we need answer here. So 0.012 into 70, right, upon 0.412, so that is 2.03. So 2.03 is the speed of whole system with bullet and block. Now calculate the height to which the block rises. So that formula is half m v square is equal to mgh, right? Now here we h that we need to find, so subject h, gets cancelled out, so h is equal to v square upon 2g. Now v, that is 2.03 square upon 2 into 10, right? So 2.03, so 2.03 into 2.03 is equal to upon 20, right? So 0.206, so height is 0.206 meter, right? And also estimate the amount of heat produced in the block. So now we have to find amount of heat, right? So to find that amount of heat, see, heat H is equal to kinetic energy of bullet minus kinetic energy of whole system. So half m v square minus half m v dash square, right, m dash v dash square. So half into 0.012 into v, that is 70 square, minus 1 by 2 into 0.412 whole system mass into 2.03 square, right? So subtraction of these two will get heat energy in joule, right?